Imagine a world where dangerous, repetitive, and heavy tasks are no longer done by humans. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. We're entering a new era defined by intelligent machines, physical AI, and robotics. For centuries, our tools extended our muscles. Now, they extend our minds. Physical AI is the brain, learning, adapting, making decisions. Robotics is the body, sensing, moving, acting. Today's revolution is about autonomy, machines that perceive, decide, and act on their own. This convergence of mind and body in machines is as transformative as fire or the printing press. It's reshaping civilization, redefining work, and challenging our place in the world. Let's explore this new frontier together. How do we give machines a mind? It starts with artificial intelligence, a digital brain that learns and solves problems, but a brain needs a body. Robotics provides that: wheels, arms, sensors, machines that can move, see, and touch. The breakthrough is connecting AI to robotics. Physical AI. Now, robots can sense, think, and act, adapting in real time. They learn from mistakes and adapt, just as we do. Imagine robots that can work with us, solve new problems, and innovate. The dance between digital minds and physical bodies is just beginning. Welcome to the age of intelligent machines. Intelligent robots aren't a distant dream. They're already here, working quietly alongside us. In modern factories, robotic arms now handle delicate tasks, inspect for defects, and collaborate safely with humans. Warehouses use fleets of autonomous robots to fetch and deliver items, orchestrated by central AI brains. This robotic precision powers the scale of online shopping and logistics. Self-driving cars are perhaps the most visible example. Robots on wheels, packed with sensors and AI, navigating complex roads and making split-second decisions. In agriculture, robots pick ripe fruit with a gentle touch. In hospitals, they disinfect rooms and deliver supplies, freeing up staff for patient care. On construction sites, robotic bricklayers build with speed and accuracy. These machines are no longer just tools, they're becoming our colleagues. They're taking over manual labor that defined human work for centuries. Their presence is expanding rapidly, transforming industries from the inside out. The silent robotic workforce is growing, often unnoticed, but reshaping how we live and work. As they take on more tasks, humans are freed to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and care. The age of robots among us isn't coming, it's already begun. Our challenge is to adapt and find new ways to thrive alongside them. The future of work is changing, and so are we. Intelligent machines are here to stay. Why now? The explosion of intelligent machines is the result of several converging forces. First, computing power has skyrocketed. Your smartphone outpaces the computers that sent humans to the moon. Second, we're awash in data. Every action online, every sensor, every transaction feeds AI's learning. Third, smarter algorithms, especially deep learning, let machines learn from data in ways that mimic the human brain. These advances feed on each other, accelerating progress. The result: AI and robotics are now powerful, affordable, and everywhere. We've reached a tipping point. What was once impossible is now inevitable. The rise of robots can be unsettling, but the benefits are profound. Physical AI takes over jobs that are dirty, dull, or dangerous, improving safety and saving lives. Robots inspect bridges, clean up toxic spills, and work in hazardous environments, keeping humans out of harm's way. They never tire, never need breaks, and can work around the clock. This relentless productivity boosts output in factories and farms, meeting global demand. Robots deliver goods faster and more consistently, transforming supply chains. Precision is another advantage. AI-guided robots perform tasks with superhuman accuracy, reducing errors and waste. They place microchips, paint cars, and assemble products flawlessly. The result: higher quality, less waste, and more reliable goods. These aren't just incremental improvements, they're fundamental changes. By automating the toughest jobs, we're making industries safer, faster, and stronger. The human condition improves as machines take on the risks and the drudgery. Our challenge is to harness these benefits for everyone. The future of work is safer and more productive thanks to intelligent machines. We must ensure these gains are shared widely. The promise of robotics is a better, safer world. Let's make it a reality. Physical AI and robotics are unlocking a new universe of efficiency, not just for corporations, but for everyone. Smarter systems mean we use resources more wisely, making goods and services more affordable and accessible. In agriculture, AI-powered robots deliver precision, watering, feeding, and protecting each plant exactly as needed. This means higher yields with less water, fertilizer, and chemicals. In supply chains, AI optimizes routes, predicts demand, and reduces waste, getting products where they're needed, faster, and with less fuel. Power grids become smarter, balancing supply and demand, integrating renewables, and cutting emissions. These efficiencies ripple through society: less waste, lower costs, and a smaller environmental footprint. When it costs less to grow food and move goods, everyone benefits. This isn't just economics, it's about raising living standards worldwide. Smarter machines help us build a more sustainable, equitable world. The impact is profound. More people have access to essentials, and our planet is used more responsibly. Efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's about improving lives. As we optimize our systems, we create opportunities for all. The smarter our machines, the smarter our civilization becomes. We're building a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. The age of intelligent efficiency is here. Let's use it wisely. Every technological revolution brings anxiety, and the rise of physical AI is no exception. Many fear job loss, especially in roles that are repetitive and physical. Truck drivers, factory workers, cashiers. For millions, automation is a real, immediate threat to their livelihoods. This shift could widen inequality, as those who own and design robots prosper while others are left behind. Reskilling is essential, but not easy. Transitioning workers to new roles requires massive investment in education and support. The pace of change is relentless. Today's skills may be obsolete tomorrow. We must commit to lifelong learning and help people adapt. Without action, automation could destabilize society. The challenge isn't just economic, it's deeply human. Our response will shape the future of work and fairness. The future isn't set in stone, we're its authors. To thrive with intelligent machines, we must rethink work, education, and social support. Schools must teach creativity, critical thinking, and adaptability. Skills machines can't easily replicate. Lifelong learning and accessible retraining are vital. Social safety nets may need to evolve. Ideas like universal basic income deserve serious debate. The goal isn't to free people from purpose, but from toil. Automation could let us focus on science, art, and caring for each other. The end of manual labor can be the start of a new human renaissance. Our challenge is to ensure everyone benefits from this transformation. We stand at a crossroads. Technology can solve old problems or create new ones. The future depends on the choices we make now. Physical AI is a moral and philosophical challenge, not just a technical one. We must decide what kind of world we want to build and ensure everyone has a voice in that conversation. Regulations and ethical guidelines are essential to keep AI safe, fair, and empowering. The power we unleash must be used responsibly, for the good of all. We are the architects of the next stage of human evolution. Let's build a future that's not just more efficient, but more equitable, creative, and human.